Before buying a handheld garment steamer, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. Most of them can't handle more than one outfit before refilling. But the real buyers are definitely talking about which ones actually last long enough to finish a full load without constant water top-offs.
Product number 1. Highlife HL7 Black. The Highlife HL7 in black is a no-frills, budget-friendly steamer at $27.99 that caught my attention for its simple design and 240-milliliter tank, one of the largest capacities in this price range. If you want reliable wrinkle removal without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. The 700-watt power delivers steady steam that handles cotton shirts, blouses, and even light wool without scorching. And the 8.5-foot cord gives you decent reach around a full-length mirror. Here's why this matters for you specifically. That 240-milliliter tank runs for up to 15 minutes straight, so you can steam 3 to 4 garments without stopping. Perfect if you're prepping for work or an event. It also works on delicate fabrics like chiffon and silk, thanks to the gentle but penetrating steam. And the compact size slips into luggage easily. Now, some people complained about the lack of voltage flexibility. This only works on 110, 120-volt outlets, so it's a hard no for international travel. But if you're based in the US or Canada, that's not an issue. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable, no-nonsense steamer for daily home use. Skip this one if you travel abroad often. At under $30, it's solid value for basic steaming needs.
Product number 2. Highlife HL7 Blue. If the black Highlife model felt too plain, the blue version offers the exact same performance with a slightly longer 9-foot cord, giving you just a bit more freedom while steaming. Priced at $28.99, it's nearly identical to its black sibling, including the 700-watt output, 240-milliliter tank, and 15-minute runtime. The real win here is the extra foot of cord length, which might seem small but makes a difference when you're moving around a hanging garment. It still handles all the same fabrics, silk, cotton, linen, without issues, and the brush attachment helps lift wrinkles from thicker materials like blazers. However, just like the black model, it's locked to 110 to 120 volts, so international travelers are out of luck. Some users also mention the water tank isn't see-through, so you can't easily tell when it's low without guessing. Still, for home use, it's dependable. This is perfect for you if you want a little more mobility and prefer a pop of color. Skip this one if you need dual voltage or a clear water level indicator. It's still a great deal under $30.
Product number 3, Jack & Rose K1 Travel Steamer. That was a solid budget option, but the next one on my list might actually be better for frequent travelers, the Jack & Rose K1 at $65.99. What sets it apart is the 100 to 220 volt dual voltage, meaning you can plug it in anywhere in the world without a converter. That alone makes it a game changer for business trips or European vacations. It heats up in just 15 seconds, pumps out steam at 248 degrees Fahrenheit, and includes a large ceramic heat panel that doubles as a dry iron, so you get 2 tools in one. The 5-ounce tank runs for about 10 minutes, handling 3 to 5 garments, and the rotating steam head fits into tight spaces like collars and sleeves. Now, some people complained it's a bit bulky compared to ultra mini steamers, and at 1.6 pounds, it's not the lightest. But honestly, the added functionality justifies the size. This is perfect for you if you travel internationally and want one device that works everywhere. Skip this one if you only need something for quick home touch-ups. At $66, it's pricier, but the global usability makes it worth it.
Product number 4, Oge Home GH01. If the Jack & Rose feels too heavy, the Oge Home GH01 at $26.99 is a feather-light alternative, just 1.52 pounds and small enough to stash in a purse. It packs a 1,000-watt punch, heating up in 20 seconds and delivering strong steam that zips through wrinkles on cotton, silk, and even denim. The detachable water tank makes refilling super easy. Just pull, pour, and snap back in. But here's the catch. It's also 110 to 120 volts only, so no international use, and the runtime is shorter than the Highlife models due to a smaller tank. Some users also noted it can drip water if tilted too much, which is annoying mid-steam. Still, for quick fixes at the office or before a date, it's fast and effective. This is perfect for you if you want something ultra-portable for on-the-go touch-ups. Skip this one if you need to steam multiple outfits at once or travel abroad. At under $27, it's a steal for light use.
Product number 5, DR Flash 2-in-1 Steamer. If you want maximum versatility, the DR Flash 2-in-1 at $44.99 combines a steamer and iron with a rotatable head, letting you switch between hanging and flat ironing in seconds. The 1200-watt power heats up in 15 seconds, and the ceramic plate gets hot enough to smooth even stubborn creases on linen and tweed. It includes 7 fabric modes, gloves, and a heat-resistant base, great for safety and precision. It's still limited to 110 to 120 volts, and the compact size means the water tank doesn't last long on high steam. Some users also said the instructions are confusing at first. Still, for someone who wants both steaming and ironing without 2 devices, it's a smart pick. This is perfect for you if you want one tool that does it all at home. Skip this one if you need long runtime or travel internationally. At $45, it's a solid mid-range investment.
So which one should you get? For budget home use, the High Life models are hard to beat. If you travel globally, the Jack & Rose K1 is the only one that works worldwide. Need something tiny? The OG Home fits in your bag. And if you want both steaming and ironing, the DR Flash delivers. Just remember, voltage matters more than wattage. Pick the one that matches your lifestyle, not just the specs.